Hare Krishna.
Water.
So I request all of you to please fold your hands and close your eyes and recite Guru Pranam along with me. Hare Krishna. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Ena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatyadeshatarine Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Srivasadi Gaurabhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Since all of you can once chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra together, you can unmute your mics.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare
Hare Krishna. Yes.
Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare Krishna. So today, what sloka we are going to see? I think few of you know this sloka. This is one of the Chatur sloka, BG sloka 10.10. This is one of the easiest and my favorite sloka. Yes, yes. Many of you know this sloka. We'll recite it again. Hare Krishna. Saisha also knows this sloka. Okay. Then we will see. Yes.
Aham Sharvachakya in Bhagavad Gita.
That is 10.8. What is 10.10? Anybody knows? Other than Riyansh?
Solar and the
Okay. Okay, we will. Yes, yes. That is the sloka. Okay, we'll see. We'll go into the session and we'll see the sloka. Then we'll see the story, Scholar and the Boatman. Any of you know the story?
Yes, Mataji. No, Mataji.
No, you don't know the story.
No, Mataji. No, Mataji.
Okay. Then we'll see a rhymes and a short movie on Krishna. Yes, Riyansh, what do you want to say?
I know 10.10.
Okay, when we go to the sloka, you can recite it. Okay. So now we'll first start the session with which we will start usually?
Quiz.
Yes. So are you all ready for the quiz? Just few minutes before I have forwarded the.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, few minutes before I have forwarded the story again for you to revise. I don't know how many of you saw it. Okay, we'll go into the quiz. Are you all ready?
Yes, Mataji. Mataji. I was not present.
You are not present. Yes. But I had forwarded the story. Did you see in the group?
No, Mataji.
Before I had forwarded in the group the story. So that who have not attended can recite. Okay, anyway, you just try it. I'll share the link. Devang Todi, you are new to the session. Devang Todi. I don't have
Mataji.
I don't have your number. You are not in contact with me. You can share your number with me so that any updates I can give you. Okay? You are in the group. You are in Prahlad group, WhatsApp group.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, you can send me a message so that I will also save your number. I can update you. Yes, we'll just go into the quiz. Just give me 2 minutes. Hare Krishna. So what was the topic of the story which we saw in the last session?
Greed brings misery.
Very good. So here is a link. Yes, are you able to see the link? You can click and join. The code is 089182. Did you all get the link?
Mataji, I do not get the link.
It is in the chat box. In the Zoom chat box, it is there. You can just click it.
Am I there in the quiz? Mataji, 1 minute.
Yes, yes. I'll wait for everybody. Riyansh, you are there in the quiz. Riyansh, Nandita, Gurusai, Aditya, Yashika, Devang, Sanidhya. Yes, only these people have joined. Yes, we'll wait for everybody to join. Yes, everybody has joined. Saisha joined. Gurusai, Aditya, Ashika, Devang, Sanidhya. Few more have to join. Freya Vyas, Freya Vyas, Pratyusha. I don't see your names.
Joining. It's
Yes, yes, yes. You have got that link, no?
Mataji, I do not know anything in the quiz.
Freya, you just make an attempt.
Mataji, I cannot get the link.
Gavya. It is there in the chat box. Kids, other kids, you have got it? I'll share it again. Yes, I have shared it again. You got it now? You can just click it and join. Hare Krishna. Kids, it is getting late. Please join quickly. We'll start. Yes, I'm going to start the quiz. Yes. Yes, here we go.
Mataji, I joined late. Can you share the link me?
Yes, I have shared it again. If you want, I'll share it again.
Mataji, can you share this in the WhatsApp
I have
later?
shared it here. Okay, I'll share. I'll share it. Even now you can click and join.
Mataji, the game has started. That's why I'm saying you
Okay.
can send it
Okay,
in
I'll
the
send it through
later.
WhatsApp. I'll send it through
Later,
WhatsApp. So 50% of the quiz is over. Only 5 more questions. Gavya, Yashika, Aditya, you can switch on your camera. If it is okay, you can switch on. So here there are more than one choices. So you have to take all the correct choices. It is not one answer, it is more than one. There may be 2, 3, all the 4 may also be right. So you have to take all the correct choices.
Mataji, in what place am I?
I'm not able to see the leaderboard. I'll just see and then we'll come again. Yes, leaderboard, Guru Sai leading, followed by Nandita, Yashika, Riyan, Shaisha. Just one more question to go. Yes, we have come to the last question. Yes, we have completed. So leaderboard shows Guru Sai leading, followed by Nandita, Riyan, Shashika, Saisha. Rebol. Congratulations, all the quiz. You have
Mataji, this
participated.
time my rank came correct only. In my phone, it is showing third and in yours.
Third, okay. So Haribol to all the quiz. Did you enjoy the quiz?
Yes,
Yes.
Mataji.
Were you able to remember all the points? Were you able to remember?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Okay. So what do we do next? Yes, what do we do next? You have to tell me. What do you want to do next?
Slow. Temple.
BG slok, yes.
So,
We'll recite the BG slok.
Mataji.
Sloka.
I don't know what to recite.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
But it's blurry.
So first, whoever knows it, let them recite and then we'll do. Okay? You can raise your hand. Anybody wants to recite? You can raise your hand.
Your screen is blurred.
Once again, screen is blurred.
Yes, Mataji.
Now is it okay?
Mataji, we have done the slok.
Yes.
Mataji, your screen is blurred.
Now I think it is okay. Yes, anybody wants to read it? Anyone wants to recite? You can raise your hand. Or we'll see once and then we'll do it. Is it okay? Okay. You can follow with me. Shall we start? Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Yes. Tesam satata yuktanam
Tesham satata yuktanam
bhajatam priti purvakam
Bhajatam Pritipurvakam
dadami buddhi yogam tam
Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam
yena mam upayanti te.
Yena Mamupayanti Te.
Hare Krishna. Yes, now who all do not know, they just raise the hand. Those who know, you can just listen. Who don't know, want to practice, they can raise their hand. Pratyusha? Okay. Pratyusha, you don't know. Hare Krishna.
मैं बोलूं माताजी
You can on your camera,
Actually,
Pratyusha.
time
You can
that's-
on your camera. Yes, Devang Todi, you want to recite? No, you don't know. Okay, we'll go word by word. Those who don't know, you can follow with me, okay? You can unmute and recite beside me. Tesam
Tesam
Tatata
Tadanta
Tatata
Tatata
Yuktanam
Yuktanam
Tesham Satata Yuktanam
Tesam Yuktanam
Bhajatam
Bhajatam
Priti
Priti
Purvakam
Purvakam
Bhajatam Priti Purvakam
Bhajanam Bhajatam Pirti Purvakam
Dadami
Dadami
Buddhi
Buddhi
Yogam Tam
Yogam Tam
Yena Mam
Yena
Upayanti te.
Mamupayanti Te.
Very good. So line by line we'll read. Tesham Satata Yuktanam
Tesham Satata Yuktanam Mataji क्या
1 minute, we'll finish it. Bhajatam Priti Purvakam
Bhajatam Priti Purvakam
Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam
Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam
Yena Mam Upayanti te.
Yena Mamupayanti Te.
Yes. Now who wants to recite? Raise your hand. Sanidhya, you can recite.
Mataji, I can recite.
Yes, one line by line you can recite. Sanidhya, first you recite.
Tesham Satata Yuktanam Vastam Priti Purvakam Tadami Buddhi Yogam Tam Yena Mamupayanti Te. इस श्लोक में भगवान जी कहते हैं जो हमारे ध्यान रखते हैं पूजा करते हैं उसको मैं वो ज्ञान दूंगा जिससे वो मुझे ही प्राप्त होंगे हरे कृष्णा
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Nicely recited, Yashika. Yes. You understood the meaning? Yes. Next, who wants to recite? Everybody wants to recite. Okay. Sanidhya, you can recite.
ओके माताजी तेषां सततयुक्तानां
Bhajatam
भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन मामुपयान्ति ते
Yena Mam Upayanti te.
येन मामुपयान्ति ते.
Yes. What is the translation? To those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. Who says these words? Whose words are these?
Krishna.
Krishna. Krishna says these words. Krishna says these words. So what does Krishna say? Those who are constantly devoted to me and those who think about me and those who serve me with love, I will give them the knowledge and understanding by which they can come to me. That is why we are reading this sloka again and again. When you read this, recite this sloka, you will get more intelligence. You will understand many things. Yes, Janita, you can recite.
Yeah, start. Please. Look at the stage.
तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतं प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन माम् उपयन्ति ते.
Hari Bol. Yes, nicely recited. Good.
Thank you.
Yes, Freya Vyas, next you can recite.
येन मामो
Tesam satata yukta. Are you able to see the screen, Freya Vyas?
Mataji, it is blood.
It is blurred. Yes. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजन्तं प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं. Mom.
Yes, you proceed.
Mom.
Yena mam upayanti te. Yes, you complete, Janita.
Upayanti te.
Yes. Hare Krishna. Yes, Pratyusha, if you want, you can recite. Pratyusha, you're not there.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, you are not switched on your video.
Wait a minute.
We are not able to see you. Yes.
Mataji, my video was on only.
No, we were not able to see you. Only now we are able to see. Okay, you recite. You
Okay, I
recite.
have on and off it again.
Okay. Yes, you can recite, Pratyusha.
Mataji, can I repeat after?
Yes. Tesham satata yuktanam
तेषां सततयुक्तानां
bhajatam pritipurvakam
प्रीतिपूर्वकं
dadami buddhi yogam tam
योगं तं
yena mam upayanti te.
मां पुरान्ते.
Hari Bol. Yes. Anybody else wants to recite?
Mataji, I can recite. Mataji, I can recite.
1 minute. Who is it? 1 minute. I'm not able to see everybody.
Devang Todi.
Yes. Yes, Devang. You can recite.
तेषां सत्ययुक्तानां वर्जितां प्रीति पूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन उपयान्ति ते.
Hari Bol. Nicely recited. Very good. Very good.
Recite.
Yes.
I don't know.
Yes. Who next? Nandita. Yes, Nandita, you can recite.
Okay, Mataji. Tesam satatanti yuktamam. Mataji,
No,
can
no,
I
no.
repeat
1 minute. I will do it. Then you can repeat. Tesham satata yuktanam
Tesham satatayuktanam
bhajatam pritipurvakam
bhajatam pritipurvakam
dadami buddhi yogam tam
dadami buddhiyogam tam
yena mam upayanti te.
yena mam upayanti te.
Yes. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, can I recite? Mataji, can I
Who is
recite?
it?
Mataji, can I recite?
Who is it? Saisha?
Zakwala.
Okay. You can recite.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yes.
Gavya, yes. You can recite beside me. Tesham satata yuktanam
Teshan satatayuktanam
bhajatam pritipurvakam
bhajatam pritipurvakam
Dadami buddhi yogam tam
Dadami buddhi yogam tam
yena mam upayanti te.
yena mam payanti te.
Upayanti te. Yes, they can come to me. See here in this picture, you can see this girl, she is washing the utensils and she is thinking about Krishna. So whatever you do, you have to think and pray about Krishna only. Then he will give you the intelligence by which we can go back to him. Okay, that is the meaning of the sloka. Okay, so you can recite, whoever do not know, you can practice during this week and you can send me the audio. Okay, shall we go into the next part of our session?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So
Yes,
next part is
Mataji.
your favorite. So it is story time. Are you all ready to listen to a story?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes. This is a bit lengthy story. Just 1 minute, I'll share. Yes. Hare Krishna. Just give me 1 minute. So the title of the story is Scholar and the Boatman.
Yes, Mataji.
So I have opened the story. I'll share the screen. You just confirm whether you're able to see the screen.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes,
So,
Mataji.
yes. So the title of the story is Scholar and Boatman. And this story is taken from the teachings of His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. He is the founder Acharya of International Society of Krishna Consciousness. Hope you all know Srila Prabhupada. Yes?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
So this is based on his teachings. The story is taken. The Scholar and the Boatman. So once upon a time, there was a man who was very scholarly. What do you mean by scholarly? Scholar is a very learned person. He knows many things. What does he know? He knows English, maths, science, biology, chemistry, everything. Whatever we study in our schools and colleges, those things he knows very well. So he is called a scholar. He has learned so many things in school, college, university. He has learned so many things. So he is called a scholar. So there was a scholarly man who was returning from the city and he wanted to cross the river. See, he is a scholar and he wants to cross the river. And here is a man sitting. Who is this man? He is a boatman. So he calls him, hey, boatman, will you take me to the other side of the river to my village? So this person is coming to his village after a long time. He has gone to other places to read a lot and he has learned so many things. He has become a big scholar and he is returning back. He wants to go to the other side of the river. So he's asking the boatman, will you take me to the other side of the river? Yes, sure. I'm waiting here for taking passengers to the other side only. The boatman is happy to take him. He says, for this only, I have been waiting. If any passengers come, I'll take him to the other side. So the scholar also gets into the boat. The scholar gets into the boat and the boatman starts rowing the boat. So he is rowing. Now they are on the river. They are sailing on the river. What happens? The scholar was very happy returning after a long time and he starts talking with the boatman. So it will take time now to cross a river from one side to another side. The boat will go very slowly and it is a very big river. It's a very wide river. So he is not, he is very happy and he starts speaking with the boatman. What does he speak? He says, my dear boatman, do you know what is astronomy? How these stars are moving? Whether the boatman will know? Hare
No.
Krishna?
No.
No, the boatman will not know. He also knows that the boatman doesn't know, but he asked, my dear boatman, do you know what is astronomy? How these stars are moving? The boatman says, none at all, sir. I just row this boat across the river. See, he is a very poor man. He doesn't go to school also. He's not learned. So he says, I don't know, sir. I just row this boat across the river. That is what he knows. He rows the boat across the river. They proceed on for a few moments. So he is silent. What he thought, if he knows, he can discuss something, but he doesn't know. So he is silent now. Then once again he is asking, oh, your life is 20% wasted. You do not know anything. See, he is very scholarly. He knows everything. The boatman doesn't.
It is not 25%.
He is 25%. 25%. So he says, the scholar says to the boatman, you don't know astronomy. Then 25% of your life is wasted. So he is telling the boatman that 25%, 1/4 of your life is waste. Then he is asking again, you know the meteorology? Do you know standard temperature and pressure to forecast wind velocity in a storm center? He is asking all these things to the boatman. Whether he will know? Boatman will know?
No.
No, boatman will not know. He is asking. You know the meteorology? He is asking.
No.
The boatman says, no, sir, I am a poor man. I don't know what you mean. He is not knowing the words also. See, only if he knows, he can tell. Meteorology means what is the meaning also, he doesn't know. What is standard temperature, pressure, forecast, wind velocity? He doesn't know anything. He says, I don't know what you mean. I don't even know the meaning. He's a very poor man. He says, I don't know what you mean. Oh, then he says, 50% of your life is lost. The scholar says, you have wasted 50% of your life is lost. First he said 25% is lost. Then he says 50% is lost. You know what is meant by 25%, 50%? Hare Krishna. You all get marks now in your exams?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
You know what is?
Half.
Yes, very good. Very good.
Yes, Mataji. When the
Yes.
boatman half the yes, Mataji.
Yes. See, so boatman, he says, see, quarter life is lost. 25% means quarter of the life is lost. 50% means half of the life is lost. He says like that. Then, you know the advance. He is not stopping with that. He says, I don't know. But even then again, he is asking, scholar, you know the advanced mathematics? With all these dark clouds coming in over us, do you have any idea what a graph of storm probability would look like? He's asking about probability, graph, all mathematical terms he is using, big terms. You know, see, the cloud is coming, there will be a graph. What is the probability of storm? That is whether the storm will come or not. Do you know all those things like that? He is asking. In max, he is asking. So the poor man says, none at all, sir. I just row this boat across the river. This man is very humble and he says, I don't know anything. He's repeating the same thing. I just row this boat across the river. He knows only that. He doesn't know beyond the rowing of the boat. But this scholar person is asking again and again. Whether it is right to ask like this?
No.
No. If somebody says they don't know, whether you can keep on asking them, you know this, you know that, you know this. Is it right to ask like that?
No.
No. So we should not ask. If a person doesn't know, either you should teach them what it is. Whatever you know, you have to share the knowledge, or you should keep quiet. You should not keep on asking them. It means that he is very boasting about himself. It is not correct. So then what happens? He says, I don't know. I can only row the boat across the river. Oh, then he says 75% of your life is lost. So 3/4, 75%. First he said 25%, then 50% is waste. Then he says 75% of your life is lost. The boatman doesn't say anything. Then suddenly what happens? There was cloud. black clouds on the sky and there was storm. Sir, do you know how to swim? Now the boatman is asking the question. Boatman is asking the scholar, sir, do you know how to swim? He's asking. Basic question. This is a very small question. You need not go to school and read all these things. It is by practice we learn. He asks whether you know how to swim. Oh, no, I don't know how to swim. Now he is afraid. So far he was boasting like anything. He said, you know this, you know that, I know this. He was saying like that. But now he is begun to fear. He is afraid. He says, no, I don't know how to swim. So now the boatman jumped in the water to save his life. So now a storm has come and the boat is tilting side to side and there is lot of air pressure. So the boat is going to fall on one side. So this boatman, he jumps into the river. He says, then you have lost your life 100%. There is no 25%, 50%, 75%. The entire life is lost. Once he is drowned, 100% of your life is lost. So boatman says, sir, you don't know swimming, then 100% of your life is lost. You are going to be drowned. Saying this, he jumped into the river. He says, sir, we will have to swim the rest of the way to save our lives. See, the boat is gone into the water. Now the only way to save their life is they have to swim their way to rest of their life. That is, to go to the shore, they have to swim, no other go. There is no boat to row. And this mathematics and astronomy, nothing is going to help him now. Only if he knows to swim, he can be saved. So saying this boatman, he swam, he knows swimming, he swam and he went. And this scholarly person, he got drowned. The scholar started drowning and shouted for help. Now he is not able to do anything. He doesn't know swimming and he is drowning. So the boatman swam across to the river bank, but the boatman couldn't do anything. So he just swam across the water to the river bank safely. So his life was saved. The person who said that your life 25% is lost, 50% is lost, 75% is lost and all, his life is entirely lost now. This boatman life is saved. So what do we learn from this? Whatever else, the moral of the story is, can anybody read this?
Whatever else we may learn in our life journey, that's one thing we all need to read on because safely to the individual goal when our fragile body capsizes while the wet technological science can enlist things and perhaps make our world more comfortable with the spiritual science to make it more successful.
Yes, Hari Bol. What did you understand? You read very nicely. You can tell in your own words what you understood. 1 or 2 sentences. What is the Western world? Eastern world?
Capsize means?
Capsize means the boat is getting drowned, no? When it is capsized, when it is down, it is a fall down.
Yes.
Okay, it is getting caught under some danger situation. That is capsize.
Can I tell in my own words?
Yes, Nandita. Well, you can tell. You can try.
What we know, the other person don't know. We have to teach them.
Yes, that is one point. Nice. Any other point? Hare Krishna. Saisha, you can try.
We should not say you know that much.
Yes, we should not boast about anything. We should not keep on telling our own stories. I know this, I know that. We should not tell. But
Yes.
here, from what you read, what you understand, see, in life's journey, okay, I'll tell you. See, in life's journey, whatever else we may learn, there is one thing we all need to know. What we should know, how to cross safely to the spiritual world. See, we are, Hare Krishna. How to safely cross to the spiritual world. We are all in an ocean. This life itself is an ocean where we are struggling. See, in our daily life, we are facing so much of dangers. So we are like in a boat caught in an ocean called this earthly material life. So we should know how to swim safely to the spiritual world. Spiritual world is the bank of the shore of the river. We should know how to cross safely to the spiritual world. It is not enough if we just study our material knowledge, astronomy, what all he said, astronomy, meteorological science, and he was talking about mathematics. So everything we have to learn. It is not that we should not learn.
It is not meteorology. Methodology.
Meteorological, that is what? Meteorological, everything he says, no? So those things we have to learn, but that is not going to help you to cross this material world. We have to know how to cross this material world. How to cross this material world? Can anybody say what we are doing daily? Hare
Chant
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, very good. We have to chant the holy name. That is the only way to cross this world. So we have to daily chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Daily we have to do that to safely go back to Godhead. So while the West technological science can analyze the things and perhaps make our voyage more comfortable. So we can have all the modern technologies. Western world, we have all these machines. To wash our clothes, we have washing machine, we have fridge, we have television, all these things, they will help to lead a comfortable life in this material world. But to go to the spiritual world, that is what is required. We cannot be happy with all these things always. More than that, our aim should be to go back to Godhead, to where we belong to actually. So for that, what is required is spiritual science, which is the Eastern world where we are all living in India. So this is the Bharat, this is the Eastern world. What is our culture? We have spiritual science. So this spiritual science is only going to help us to go to the spiritual world, which is more important than the material science. Kids, do you understand?
Yes, Mataji.
So apart from reading your daily lessons, you should also learn our spiritual science. Are you all chanting daily?
Yes, Mataji. Yes,
Yes.
Mataji.
Everyone is chanting. Very good. Hari Bol. So you have to learn your lessons. That is also important, but that alone is not enough. You have to know the spiritual lessons also. You have to chant your Maha Mantra daily so that we can easily cross over the material world. This is the moral of the story. Hare Krishna. Yes. So next what we are going to see? We'll see the rhymes. Okay.
The rhymes.
So today's rhyme is, we are not these bodies, but we are spirit soul. You all know this. We are not the bodies, we are the spirit soul. In Bhagavad Gita, the first lesson itself is, the major lesson is this. We are identifying ourselves with the bodies, but we are not the bodies. We are the spirit soul. Hare Krishna. Kids, when I say something, you have to listen. If you want to say something, you can raise your hand. I can unmute and then you can speak. Okay. Okay. So this is, we are not these bodies, but we are spirit soul. This is the content of the rhymes. So we will hear it once and then you can recite.
We are not these bodies, but we are spirit soul, just a tiny part and parcel of the whole. Krishna is our Father, the Lord of everything, and we can make him happy if together we can sing Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna loves us dearly, he is our faithful friend, and we can go back home if on him we depend. In this dark age of Kali, Krishna's name will give us light. So clap your hands and sing the song with all your might. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Yes. Can we sing together?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Hare Krishna.
We are not these bodies, but we are spirit soul, just a tiny part and parcel of the whole. Krishna is our Father, the Lord of everything, and we can make him happy if together we can sing.
Yes, you can all
Hare
sing.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna loves us dearly, he is our faithful friend, and we can go back home if on him we depend. In this dark age of Kali, Krishna's name will give us light. So clap your hands and sing the song with all your might. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. Krishna. Mataji, can I recite? Mataji, I
Yes.
don't know.
Yes. Freya Vyas, you want to sing this? You can try. You're able to see the screen?
With your help.
Yes.
Lord Krishna and Malwa.
I'll just on this again audio. You can sing along with the audio. That will be better. Okay. Yes.
We are not those bodies,
We
but
are not these bodies, but we are spirit soul, just a tiny part and parcel of the whole.
Yes. One line by line you can sing. We are not these bodies, but we are spirit, soul. Yes, Freya Vyas, you can sing.
we are
We are not these bodies, but we are spirit soul, just a tiny part and parcel of the whole.
just a tiny part and
Parcel of the whole.
parcel
Of the whole.
whole. Krishna is our Father, the Lord of everyone. And we can make him happy if
We are spirit soul, just a tiny part and parcel of the whole. Krishna is our Father, the Lord of everything, and we can make him happy if together we can sing. Hare Krishna, Hare
I can
Krishna,
sing along.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Yes.
Mataji, can I recite?
Yes, Gavya. Next paragraph.
Mataji, your screen is blurred.
You're able to see, Gavya?
No, Mataji.
Now?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. This bodies, but we are
Spirit, soul. Yes, nice.
soul, just a tiny part and parcel of the whole. Krishna is our Father, the Lord of everything, and we can make him happy if together we can sing. Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare, Hare Rama, Hare
Hare Rama,
Rama
Rama Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare. Krishna loves us dearly. He is our
faithful friend.
friend, and we can
Go
go back
back home. If
on
on
him.
him we depend.
And
In this dark age of Kali,
only Krishna's
His name will give us light.
light. So
So clap
clap
your
your hands,
hands and
sing
sing this song with
with
all
all
your might. Hare
Hare
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yes, kids, you can practice this. I'll share the words along with the audio. So anybody wants to sing?
Ma'am, Mataji, I can decide. Mataji, can
Yes. Nandita. Nandita, I think you have done it. Anybody else who have not recited?
No, Mataji, I'm not done.
Nandita, you have not recited.
Yes.
Okay, you try once.
Okay, Mataji.
Do you want me to play the audio?
Yes, Mataji.
Along with that, you can sing. Yes.
Krishna loves us dearly, he is our faithful friend.
Yes.
We are not these bodies, but we are spirit soul, just a tiny part and parcel of the whole. Krishna is our Father, the Lord of everything, and we can make him happy if together we can sing. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna loves us dearly, he is our faithful friend, and we can go back home if on him we depend. In this dark age of Kali, Krishna's name will give us light. So clap your hands and sing the song with all your might. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. So you all like the rhymes? Will you recite this week? Will you recite it this week?
Yes, Mataji.
Will you practice?
Yes,
You'll send me the audio?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Okay. So with this, we come to the end of the session. So do you want to watch a movie, or with this we can end?
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, we can see a movie.
You can see a movie. Yes. So let us all chant Hare Krishna once again, and then
Yes, Mataji.
we'll go for the movie. With the same tune, we can sing Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. Yes, you can unmute and sing. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna.